guys, I'm Dash and welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup tutorial, as you can see right here, it's a very red, pinky inspired look right here. As you can see, the black jean background and also the t-shirt. So let's jump right into it. And I'm first prepping my skin using this interesting sheet mask right here. It actually comes in like a wet tissue packaging, and once you put it out, it's like a sheet mask what you always use, but this one is meant to use like super quick in the morning, to just put it like, for example, 5 minutes and then you're ready to go. Like, just keep your total skincare routine. And once I remove the mask, it really feels super refreshing, especially in the morning. It just like wakens your skin. And also I take the mask to just wipe all over the face to avoid like the excess essence on the face. So moving on to the makeup, I'm starting with using the Benefit Porefessional Pearl Primer, and I'm just putting all over the face. And then using the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation to really have a full coverage foundation look to cover up all my acne scars. And then also adding in the Kiehl Daily Concentrate Oil right here. This can make the overall consistency of the foundation to be much more like smoother, as it blends very well onto the skin. And I'm using the Breena Beauty Blending Pro to just blend everything onto my skin. Right after my foundation, I'll be using the NYX HD Concealer in medium, and I'm just putting it under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and also at my chin area to brighten up the entire look and blending it out. And using the Althea Petal Velvet Powder to just bake my under eyes so that everything stays creaseless and also have that full coverage look. To save some time, I did my brow off camera, but I used my favorite products from Vanity and also 1028, and as you can see right here, I'm just removing my wig so that we can continue on to the eyes. And I'm just using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance to prime everything so that everything stays in place. And the eyeshadow palette that I'll be using today is the brand new Glamxcosmetics Strawberry Frappe palette right here. I absolutely love this palette so much because not only it comes with super pigmented blendable shadows, as you can see right here from the eye look, it also comes with matte and also shimmer shades. So it's definitely like a complete eye palette that you can get. So here are the steps that you can just follow along. Also, don't forget to use my code at Glamxdash for 10% off your order. It will be linked down in the description box below. And after we have done the eyeshadow part, I'm just using the Maybelline Hyper Glitz Ink Eyeliner right here. This is like a burgundy bronze shade, and as you can see, I'm just creating a wing. And then moving on to the mascara, I'm using this mascara by Dupe. And to make the entire look super intense, I'm adding these lashes right here, and it really just like finish up the entire look. But before that, make sure to add some glitter to make the eyes sparkle a little bit more, as you can see right here at my lower lash line and also at my tear duct in the corners. And this is the completed eye look. To finish up the face, I'm using the NYX contour sticker right here. I don't know the actual name, so I will link it down below. But I'm using this very dark, intense contour shade. I'm just using the brush to just blend everything out, and it really gives like a subtle, I can say, because after it blends out, it doesn't look that harsh. So I actually really like the effect of it. And moving on to using more cream products, I'm using the Velvet Vanity Glow with the Flow Cream Cheek color right here in the shade Taffy, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm just putting it all over the cheek area to really emphasize on the very pinky, cheeky kind of look. And I'm just using the brush to just really stipple onto the skin. Last but not least, adding some glow onto our skin, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Whisper of Guilt highlighter right here, the last year holiday collection. And if you haven't watched my review video on this and also first impression, I'll put it at the link at the description box and also at the card, so you can watch it and see my first impression on it. And I really love this highlight because it gives like a really intense yet natural glow. And to finish up the entire look, I'm using this Glamxcosmetics Hydra Lip Matte Lustre Lippy right here in the shade Jolie. And first of all, I really love this pink look right here because the pink in this liquid lipstick is just the right amount of pink. Isn't it too bright? It's perfect for every day. And also the formula is super moisturizing, but it also dries down to a matte texture. So yeah, that's it for this entire look. I really hope you guys enjoy this look. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!